Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making Ghanaian corned beef stew, and for this recipe you will need 2 medium-sized onions sliced, corned beef of your choice, any corned beef will do, powdered pepper, you can also use fresh pepper, and my natural spice mix, tomatoes. You can also use fresh tomatoes, you can blend, and I have my Maggi cube. I started off with 1/3 cup of oil. Make sure your oil is well heated before adding in your onions. Stir in your onions and leave it to fry for some time. I then added in my natural spice mix. The video is in the description box below. Please check it out. It makes your stews taste really amazing. Stews, soups, everything. You can now add in your tomato paste. So this is where if you have fresh tomatoes blended or just chopped, you can just add it to it and you mix it all together. You also leave it to cook really well. Have you subscribed yet? You should definitely subscribe. I have more videos like these. I have 1 tablespoon of powdered pepper. You can use as much as you like. At this point, I added 1/6 cup of extra oil. If you like more oil, you can also add a little bit more. I just was being very careful with the oil. So you can add more if you like. Now add in your corned beef. So this video is lasting for about just 5 minutes or so, but making the stew you need more time. Maybe let's just say from 20 to 30 minutes, because first you need to start with mise en place, cleaning all of your vegetables, chopping them, and then you also need to set up well and start cooking. And when you add in the tomato stew, you have to wait for it to really cook really well, then add in everything else. You don't want to rush through it. Wow, now look how amazing this stew is. It's so simple. You need very few ingredients and you're still going to have a really tasty stew. Okay, I added in Maggi cube as you saw, and the Maggi cube kind of have a little bit of salt in it, so I didn't add in any more salt. Now with this stew, you can serve it with anything you want: yam, spaghetti, eba, and all of that. For this video, I added spag. Come on, look at this. Look at this. Okay, this is where you start subscribing. Look at this. Oh my god, it is so tasty. It's so amazing. I actually ended up eating the food on the table, and I barely do that. I was practically eating. I carried my food away and finished it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these, and definitely stick with me. Now this is where I say bye and thanks everybody. See you on my next video.